Affiliate marketing is a dynamic online marketing strategy where advertisers partner with creators or publishers to promote products and gain sales. Essentially, it's a revenue-sharing venture. Advertisers reward affiliates for visitors or customers brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. This symbiotic arrangement allows creators to earn commissions by leveraging their audience, typically through blogs, social media, or websites. At its core, this model benefits both parties. Advertisers gain wider market exposure and increased sales potential, while creators monetize their platforms without the need to develop their own products. Affiliate marketing is a streamlined process involving three key parties: the affiliate, the merchant, and the consumer. Merchants provide the products or services, which affiliates promote to their audience using platforms such as blogs or social media. When a consumer buys a product through an affiliate link, the affiliate earns a commission from the sale. This process not only boosts the merchant's sales, but also allows affiliates to generate income from their promotional efforts. It's a win-win, where each sale is tracked via affiliate links, ensuring that commissions are accurately distributed based on actual sales made. Affiliate marketing offers significant advantages for both affiliates and merchants, making it an attractive strategy. For merchants, it's highly cost-effective as they pay only for results, reducing the risk of wasted advertising budgets. This performance-based reward system also motivates affiliates to work harder, directly tying their earnings to their success in promoting products. For affiliates, it presents an opportunity with low entry barriers in terms of investment, allowing virtually anyone with a digital presence to participate. Overall, this model ensures that marketing efforts directly correlate to tangible outcomes, optimizing spending and enhancing profitability for both parties involved. Affiliate marketing is diverse, featuring various models that suit different marketing objectives. The pay-per-sale model, the most common, involves affiliates earning a commission when their referral leads to a sale. Pay-per-click, another model, compensates affiliates based on the number of clicks generated from their platform to the merchant's website, irrespective of sales. The pay-per-lead model rewards affiliates for every lead they generate, such as filling out a form or signing up for a trial. Each model offers unique advantages, enabling affiliates to choose a structure that best aligns with their audience and promotional strategies. Embarking on an affiliate marketing journey starts with selecting the right affiliate program that aligns with your niche and audience preferences. Begin by researching and evaluating programs offering products you're genuinely interested in or that resonate with your current content. Understand the commission structure, payout methods, and the reputability of the advertisers involved. Once you've chosen a program, craft your marketing strategy by using tools like SEO, content marketing, and social media engagement to effectively promote your affiliate products. Each step is crucial in building a sustainable affiliate marketing business that can achieve substantial gains. To excel in affiliate marketing, mastering several key strategies is essential. First, SEO, search engine optimization, is crucial to increase visibility and drive organic traffic to your content. This involves optimizing your website and articles with relevant keywords to rank higher on search engine results. Next, content marketing focuses on creating valuable, engaging content that attracts and retains your target audience, encouraging them to make purchases through your affiliate links. Lastly, effectively using social media platforms can amplify your reach, allowing you to engage directly with followers and promote your affiliate products through posts, stories, and ads. Affiliate marketers face several challenges, including stiff competition and ever-evolving regulatory landscapes. To navigate these, differentiation is key. Developing a unique brand voice and providing exceptional value through quality content can set you apart. Additionally, staying informed about the latest industry regulations ensures compliance and safeguards your business. Implementing advanced SEO techniques and diversifying marketing channels can also mitigate the impact of competition. By continuously adapting and innovating, leveraging data analytics for insights, and engaging actively with your audience, You can overcome these hurdles and maintain a competitive edge in the bustling world of affiliate marketing.